Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save money when buying Bluehost hosting. And trust me, this method will really help you cut down your costs. So here's what you need to do. First, check out the link in the description below. Click on that link, and it will take you directly to the Bluehost website. Once you're on that page, you'll see the hosting plans, and you can get Bluehost hosting for as low as $2.99 per month. Note, the pricing might be slightly different depending on your country, but don't worry, the coupon code will work everywhere. Now, click on the Get Started Now button. After that, you'll see a few different plan options: Starter, Business, and E-commerce. For this demo, I'm going to show you how to apply the coupon code using the business plan. When you reach the domain section, it'll ask you to choose a free domain name. I'm going to click on I'll choose later. After that, you'll see the total price for your plan. Now click on Add a promo code. Enter my promo code right there. Then check the price again and hit the Apply button. As you can see, the total price is instantly reduced by 15%, which means you've successfully applied the best coupon code available right now for Bluehost hosting. You'll find the coupon code in the video description and also in the first comment below. And remember, make sure to use the same link from the description when you're buying this hosting, because that's the only way the coupon code will work properly.